Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. In today's video, we have another challenging question from radical mathematics. Here we have to evaluate m and n. From the given equation, cube root 6 root 45 minus 17 equal to m over square root n plus 1. So let's get started by considering this cube root equal to x. So let me write here x is equal to cube root of 6 square root 45 minus 17. Now from x we can conclude x is always greater than 0. Now I can write here our answer should be x positive only. Now I will consider cubing both sides. So power 3 and this side power 3. Now cube root and power 3 will be cancelled out. So I can write finally x cube equal to 6 square root 45 minus 17. Now I will consider y cube also, which will be equal to 6 square root 45 with in between sign plus. Now we have two equations. I will subtract second one from first equation. So let me change sign. So I can write x cube minus y cube equal to minus 17 minus 34. Let us call equation number 1. Now I will take product of x cube and y cube. Let's check what will come out. 6 square root 45 minus 17, this is x cube, y cube. 6 square root 45 plus 17. So a minus b times a plus b, we will apply the difference of two squares formula. So I can write directly 6 square root 45 whole square minus 17 whole square. So I will write here x cube times y cube. 6 square root 45 whole square minus 17 whole square. 6 square is 36. This will be 45 minus 289. 36 times 45. 1620 minus 289. This difference will be 1331, which we know it is cube of 11. Now left hand side is xy whole cube. Right hand side is 11 cube. Let's consider cube root both sides. So we will get conclusion xy equal to 11, which I will call equation 2. Now we have one new setup of two equations. Equation number 1, x cube minus y cube minus 34. Equation number 2, xy equal to 11. This is our new system. So let us begin with first equation. X cube minus y cube equal to negative 34. Now a cube minus b cube formula is there. So let's apply. I will write x minus y in other bracket x square plus y square plus xy equal to negative 34. I can write x minus y times x square plus y square. Let me write x minus y whole square. Then I need to write over there plus 2xy. So plus 2xy and xy, 3xy. RHS is negative 34. Let's apply the value of xy. It is equal to 11 here. So I can write x minus y whole square plus 3 times 11 equal to negative 34, or x minus y times x minus y whole square plus 33 equal to negative 34. Now it's time of substitution. So I will consider x minus y equal to a. So our equation will convert into variable a times a square plus 33 equal to minus 34. A times a square plus 33 equal to minus 34. Let's simplify LHS. A cube plus 33a. And if I will take minus 34 to the left side, then it would be plus 34 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation. I will use method of factorization. So I can write 33a as minus a plus 34a. This is 33a plus 34 equal to 0. Now from first two terms a is common. So a square minus 1 will be in the bracket. From last two 34 is common. A plus 1 will be in the bracket. Now difference of two squares formula is on. A plus 1 times a minus 1 plus 34 times a plus 1 equal to 0. Now a plus 1 is overall common. So we can write here a times a minus 1 plus 34. RHS 0. Now I will write a plus 1 times a square minus a plus 34 equal to 0. So conclusion from here is a plus 1 will be 0, or we'll be writing a square minus a plus 34 will be equal to 0. So let us solve both the equations one by one. Let me write quadratic first. A square minus a plus 34 equal to 0. And second equation was a plus 1 equal to 0. So from this quadratic equation, if we will check discriminant only, then it is b square minus 4ac as per formula. So minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times c is 34, which will be equal to 1 minus 136, which is ultimately negative 135. Because of discriminant is negative, complex solutions will be there. So we can write this is our rejected solution. Now let us consider the second one, a plus 1 equal to 0. From here we can write a equal to negative 1. And a was our substitution, x minus y equal to negative 1. Now this equation and xy equal to 11 we will take up for the value of x. Let me write here x minus y equal to negative 1, xy equal to 11. So from this equation I can write y equal to 11 over x, which I will apply in equation x minus y equal to negative 1. Let's apply negative 1, 11 over x equal to negative 1. Multiply this equation by x. So x square minus 11 equal to minus x. I can take x square plus x minus 11 equal to 0. So I will apply quadratic formula. Now minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac. Okay, minus b minus 1 plus minus under the root b square 1 minus 4ac plus 44 over 2. Or I can write x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root 45 over 2. So we have two values. One x is positive, another is negative. Let me write here root 45 minus 1 over 2. This is positive value. And negative value is negative 1 negative root 45 over 2. So we will reject this value as x is positive only. So this value we are going to accept. Now we have to find out m and n value. So let me write in that form. Left hand side I will be writing root 45 minus 1 over 2. And RHS it is equal to m over square root n plus 1. This was x. Now I will rationalize our numerator this time. Because of we have right hand side, we have denominator with a square root. So I will be writing here square root 45 plus 1. So I will multiply in the denominator also root 45 plus 1. Now in numerator a plus b, a minus b. So it will be root 45 is square 45, 1 is square 1 over 2 times root 45 plus 1. 45 minus 1 is 44. So we can write 44 over 2 times root 45 plus 1. So I can cancel these two. It is equal to 22 in the numerator. M equal to 22. After comparing both sides, we can write our answer M equal to 22 and N equal to 45. This is our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself and bye bye.